Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to remix a video on TikTok. So first of all, you click on your TikTok app and then you select whichever video you wish to remix. Here you click on the share icon, which is the last icon by the right, and then you click on duet. After clicking on duet, TikTok will then access your camera and then you can record using this red icon or you can upload using this icon. After uploading, you can just save this and repost on TikTok. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.